In 60 seconds, I'll show how to fix a floppy MacBook screen safely and precisely. Open the lid and identify the loose hinge and any visible play or gaps. Power down the MacBook, unplug all cables, and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Prepare tools, pentalobe and Phillips drivers, tweezers, a thin washer, and a magnetic parts tray. Remove the bottom case screws carefully and lift the cover to expose internal components. Locate the display hinge mounting points and inspect for stripped screws or missing washers. Use the correct driver to tighten hinge screws clockwise until they are snug, not over-torqued. If a screw won't catch, add a thin washer or use a small thread insert to restore grip. Reseat any hinge brackets and ensure both sides are evenly tightened to maintain alignment. Replace the bottom cover and reinstall screws in a counter-diagonal pattern to distribute pressure. Open and close the screen slowly, checking for smooth resistance and correct alignment on both sides. If the hinge remains loose, stop and consult an authorized technician. Follow safe repair practices and subscribe for more guides.